everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Palak Dal. Very delicious and very easy to make. Let me show you how we can make Palak Dal or Dal Palak. Today, I'm going to share with you very tasty, delicious, nutritious, and very healthy Palak Chana Dal. This is a very good combination of Chana Dal with Palak. These are the ingredients I'm going to use. 1 cup Chana Dal. I'm not going to soak it. I'm just going to wash it with cold water. Put it in a pressure cooker along with 3 cup water, 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Put it on a burner. Wait for 2 whistles. For our tadka, we're going to use 1 medium-sized onion, 1/4 cup tomato sauce. If you are using a fresh tomato, then skip this. 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon black pepper, 1 green chili, 2 teaspoon ginger, and 1 teaspoon cumin seed. Olive oil for tadka, palak. Get a pressure cooker. This is what I did with the dal. I wash with the cold water. Drain the water and we'll place this dal into pressure cooker. Salt, turmeric powder, 3 cup water. Close it and we'll place it on the gas burner. Start burner and place pressure cooker on it and we'll wait for 2 whistles. The palak, spinach, one tip I wanted to share with you. If you washed it prior to using it, it's a good idea. Drain the water really well. After washing, it will soak up a lot of water. The palak I'm going to use, this is the pre-washed palak and it's ready to enjoy. So we're not going to wash it, it's already washed. If you have a clean palak like this, then you do it what I'm going to do. Grab palak like this, put it on cutting board, and we're just going to cut it like this. Turn it and cut it like in 2-3 times. And this is good. We don't need to do the fine chopping. This is perfect. Keep cutting the palak the same way. We start another burner. Get a karahi. Add olive oil, 1 tablespoon. We have our first whistle. So once we're going to have the second whistle, we're going to turn off the gas. We're going to let it cool down. And on this side, we're going to start tadka. As the oil start to heat up, add cumin. So we have our second whistle. I'm going to turn off the gas. So give it like 10 seconds. This is good. Add ginger. Mix it. Cook another 10 seconds. Add onion. Mix it well. Keep it moving and keep cooking until the onions are nicely translucent. Onions are nicely translucent. Add green chili. Mix it well. Cook green chili along with tadka for half minute. Cooking green chili for half minute. Add spices, cumin, coriander, garam masala, black pepper. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, add tomato sauce. Mix it well. Cook tomato sauce along with tadka for 1 minute. Cooking tomato sauce along with tadka for 1 minute. Add palak. And keep mixing with tadka. Bring your gas to low and keep cooking. Cooking palak for 3 minutes. This is how the palak should be. We can eat as is, but today's will be the combination of dal. So we're going to add dal, transport dal. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, I added 3 cups water. If you want a running gravy, you always can add more water. But this is perfect. Keep the gas high. Bring the water to boil. As it started to boil, now bring the gas to simmer. Cover with the lid and let it simmer for 2 minutes. Another 2 minutes on simmer. I'll open the lid. Turn off your gas. Palak dal is all ready, and one tip I wanted to share with you, not only for this dal, in general. So if you get the ladle like this, the water, and this looks fine. But some reason, any dal you're cooking, and when you put and you say, oh wow, this is running water, this is not nice. This is the tip I wanted to share with you. On the back side of the ladle, press it against the wall of your kadai or pot, whatever. You mash the dal like this. Not too much, just very little. But when you mash it like this, then your gravy, running gravy, look really nice. So that's the tip. In case if you're having the issue with any dal, then just mash it. So our dal is all ready. This is perfect. I have my serving bowl ready and we're going to dish out. Look at this. This is very tasty, very delicious Palak Dal. Let me share with you. A tasty, delicious dal. Palak Dal is all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. This is very easy to make and it's super delicious. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share, subscribe, Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.